In this video, we'll look at how you can use the preview to identify the message that you're looking for. So in other videos, you may have found that you can filter down to the message that you're trying to find. And I've selected this message here. And then all you need to do is toggle the preview and it'll display the message. Here you can see an awful lot of the detail of the message, which is really handy, and it even preserves things like tables. So if I were to search for SketchUp, for instance, here we've got a table all to do with courses in SketchUp, and it may be that I'm interested in both the details in this table, and the nice thing about this is I can see everything as it was intended, but also I can take things from here. So if I select this text here, do a Control C to copy it to the clipboard, go into another application and pick Control V, there's the text available to me to use. So I don't have to go all the way into Outlook or bring it out into Outlook to go and work on it. I can just copy the text directly out of that preview.